Good morning. Myself Chandan Mishas. My research topic is privacy preserving machine learning. These are some privacy preservation techniques which are used in privacy preserving machine learning. First one is privacy preservation through encoding mechanism. Second one is privacy preservation through randomization. Third one is privacy preservation through differential privacy, and fourth one is privacy preservation through encryption. My first work is done on privacy preservation through encoding mechanism, which I will discuss now. This is the consider these client server mechanism where server provides machine learning as a service. Now consider client has a data medical image data. In particular, say skin cancer image data, which consists of 7 types of skin cancer images. Now client want to take disease classification task as service from the server. For this mechanism, client need to upload their data to the server, and server will train a model for this disease classification. And at the test time, client will send a image to the server. Server will predict its disease class and send back the result to the client. Now consider this Lysian images has another attribute, say age group of the patient, which is sensitive in nature. Now there is an adversary sitting in the server, and it has a training data for this sensitive attribute in same domain. Now it train a model to predict the sensitive attribute, that is the age group of the patient. Now when client send the data to the server, the adversary will predict its patient age group and use it its own purpose. Now we have proposed a model to produce a sensitive information or representation of the data. To train our model, we need raw data, the primary task level, that is the disease class, and the sensitive attribute level, that is the age group of the patient. Finally, our model will produce sensitive information or representation of the data, which is useful to distribute over cloud environment with minimal information leakage. Our proposed model uses informative subspace-based representation learning and multitask learning. It has two steps. In first step, we find the important features which are most informative for the primary task level. In second step, we remove or downloading the information necessary to determine the sensitive attributes. Along with the skin cancer image dataset, we have conducted our experiment on MNIST dataset and product review text dataset. This is the result summary, where we can see that our method L2XMT outperform all the baselines. I have done two more work on privacy preserving machine learning, which are based on privacy preservation through randomization. One for unsupervised learning and another for semi-supervised learning. In future, I want to explore privacy preserving machine learning through differential privacy and homomorphic encryption. Thank you.